Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. I just laid out 5 of our most recent engine builds here. These engines are currently in stock, ready to go. Go over some of the highlights on our engines here. We have our 302 Ford 350 horsepower engine, ready to go. This has a roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum heads on there. We have our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine with a black Vortec intake. 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, black Vortec intake, ready to go. We have another 350 Chevrolet 440 horse roller cam engine, again AFR heads, black Vortec intake, chrome 14-inch air cleaner with the HEI distributor. And we have our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine, ready to go. AFR heads, roller cam, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, fully tested. And then we have our last one here, our 302 Ford 350 horsepower engine with the Black Ridge valve covers and matching air cleaner. Again, AFR heads, roller cam. These engines are in stock, ready to go. This is a family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.